Toni and Fardette, President and CEO of the Billion Dollar Girl, training, coaching, process, and consulting for dealers, coming to you live to tell you about the Internet Sales 20 Group 13 coming up in just a few short months. It will be here before we know it, and some really exciting announcements regarding IS20G 13. I have been a part of IS20G since probably IS20G 5, I want to say, off the top of my head, so for many years. But this year, not only will I be a featured speaker where I will be holding a session on service BDC, addressing things like pay plan, setup, structure, schedule, word tracks, technology, a ton of content. I will also be hosting a round table that focuses on women in automotive. There are not enough women in automotive, and I firmly believe it's because of a variety of things that include the culture, the lack of flexibility in schedule, pay plans, how we recruit, how we onboard and train. And so those are the things I'll be addressing at the roundtable. And then probably the most important announcement of them all is that the Billion Dollar Girl and Dealer Synergy are actually going to partner on co-creating the curriculum and the content. And so this is going to be huge to be able to have two powerhouses with just massive amounts of experience. I have 19 years. Sean's got just about the same number of years. So literally 40 plus years of automotive experience combined, co-creating curriculum together. It's going to be huge, and of course we'll release more details as far as location and exact dates as we come forward, but I would definitely be planning to put that on your calendar.